What's up, guys? It's Brian Beane back with another video for the 30 for 30 financial challenge. We're going to help 30 families, no matter what, over the next 30 days get on the right path to financial freedom using strategy, not sales, not hype, but real strategies. Now, I don't have a lot of time, so I can't go over all the videos you've missed. Just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and go check them out. But previously, we discussed two financial objectives that a lot of people in America need to have: their current lifestyle being met and their future lifestyle being met. And there are two different ways to meet those lifestyles. Then we talked about three things so far, three things that keep you from hitting your financial objectives. One being inflation, two being taxes, three being debt. And guess what we're talking about today, guys? Big business. That's right. The fourth thing keeping you from hitting your financial goals is big business. Now, I want you to think about some practical things you may have learned in school, or if not, let me give them to you now. Every business is judged by their income statement and their balance sheet. And business is based on two basic things. One, let's keep profits and revenues high. Let's keep expenses low. Now, here's the reality. On a business income statement, do you know that you as a consumer, you are an asset? Now, on your income statement at home, to the business, believe it or not, is a liability. In other words, an asset or income is money that comes in your pocket, and liabilities and expenses is money that comes out of your pocket. Well, here's the reality. Big business is big business for a reason. They have millions of people giving them money. Now, there's nothing wrong with that because that's capitalism. But on their balance sheet, they have millions of people contributing to their assets. On your balance sheet, you have hundreds and hundreds of companies taking away from your assets and adding to your liabilities. In other words, guys, until you understand the rules of big business, everything from the colors to the music, to the time of day the commercials are played, to the marketing of the commercials, to the actors and actresses in the commercials, it's designed to get you to give them your money. So until you learn the big business rules, you'll always struggle financially and make somebody else wealthy. Remember, guys, your money is going to make somebody wealthy. The question is who? So we're going to talk about how to build your income statement, build your balance sheet, increase your net worth in some future videos. How? By owning a home-based business.